So what's up guys, I go by the name the Cruise Master, and you know what, in this video I'll be making a tutorial on how to make a successful transaction using your Telegram wallet. Yes, as at now, Telegram wallet is it's like the simplest wallet you can use to make any cryptocurrency transaction. Yes, so many people have gotten scammed based on looking for a vendor up and down, but using your Telegram wallet you can make a fast transaction, like very fast, and it's very simple. You don't need vendor, you don't need, they'll credit you ASAP to your bank account. So this one will be, so I'll be making a video now teaching you guys on how to make a successful transaction. So let's go. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys on how to use the P2P market. This P2P market is what almost all your vendors are using. So I want to make a trade now, just to show you guys what the trading looks like on Telegram wallet. So at least you can be doing this by yourself to avoid being scammed. So let's go guys. First of all, you click on P2P market. So here I am selling. So I click on sell. So it's going to display like this. These are vendors that are ready to buy your crypto. So you look for the ones that match the amount of crypto you want to sell. As you can see, this place is just like market. Some traders, they don't buy lesser than 15k, while some don't buy lesser than 150k. So I'm selling out just $10, which is more than 15k. So I have to choose this man here based on what I want to sell. So here you put the amount you want to sell. So I'm selling just 10 USDT. So the next thing for you to do now is to add payment. So click on add. Then you put your bank details. So I won't advise you to put OPay or PanPay because they already made an announcement that people should stop using their app for any cryptocurrency activities. Especially if you are receiving big money, please, you need to stay away from OPay, PanPay or MoneyPoint. I've seen them restrict people's accounts. Yes. So you won't want to get your account restricted. So it's better to stay away from them. You can use your UBA, First Bank or Zenith. Yes. So let's continue guys. So after you put your bank details, what you need to do now is click on continue. Yes. Then you click create order. So after that, they will tell you to wait for like 3 hours, but it's not really up to 3 hours. Within 3 to 5 minutes, you'll be credited. So you just have to wait. So I waited for 2 minutes and then boom, I got my money. As you can see, it's very simple and very fast. This is what your vendors are using. You can actually be doing this and then get your own payment by yourself. You don't need to stress, you don't need to get scammed, you don't need to pass aggression on anybody. Just do it yourself. One last thing, after receiving your payment, you go back to the Telegram wallet to confirm the payment. You click on confirm payment. But be very careful, there are scammers there too. So you have to receive credit alerts before you confirm the payment. Please, if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are watching this on TikTok, please like this post and follow us for more information like this.